Hello, welcome to the channel for nature and journaling lovers. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine and I'm the owner of Cozy Journalers, an Etsy shop that creates art and craft supplies inspired by nature. Today, I want to share with you some limiting beliefs or mindsets that I think that had stopped me from showing my full potential as an artist, crafter, and business owner. Before we begin, I want to say I'm sorry about the noise out because I'm outdoors. I hope that you still understand me. The first one is trusting myself. I have been known to not share something just because I think it has been done before, or that it's not that important, or that I'm not showing something new or unique. As creatives, we have to learn that we will never make something completely unique and that it's okay. We're gonna add our own uniqueness to it through our personality. We have to just start experimenting, learning from ourselves, learning from others, sharing our things, and trusting the process. Number 2 is having a mediocre mindset. I have always shared a little, gave a little, tried a little, and dreamed a little. Of course, I was receiving a little. I definitely have to learn to speak up, give more, dream big, and try harder. We know we have potential, so why minimize ourselves? Why are you minimizing yourself? I know you deserve so much, so start asking and receiving, dreaming and trying. The third one is quitting too quick. This is the result of the other two. By not trusting myself and not giving myself permission to dream big, I didn't know myself or my dreams to even have a reason to keep trying, so I quit. I failed in about 8 art and craft businesses because of my poor mindset. And no, I'm not being harsh to myself, I'm just being honest, and that's the only way we will discover and learn from ourselves. I am now at 31 years old, trying to make her dreams come true one step at a time. I hope this video gave you the courage to dream big, trust yourself, and share it with others, because you deserve to be heard, seen, and admired. If you like nature and journaling, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every Friday when I upload a video. Give it a thumbs up so I know that you like this kind of videos, and most importantly, share it with a friend that you know that needs to hear this.